What is up, 400? Well, guys, we're at the Texoma F100 Roundup. My booth is somewhere behind me. There you go. I'm walking around doing podcasts and doing stuff for the YouTube channel. We got Dean here, man. What'd you bring today?
My 69 F100 short wheelbase. Been in our family all our life.
It's a beautiful truck. It's the color of his hat here. It's freaking beautiful. I love it. And thank you so much for wearing the stuff, man.
Oh yeah, I rock it.
Yeah. Can I get you on the podcast later?
Sure, yeah.
Woo. Okay, you guys will find out more about that truck on F100 Talk.
That's CraigerCo. That's the one that's just
Hi.
Hey, I like the shirt. Show us the
like
shirts.
those shirts?
Woo, you guys match.
That's right.
Oh, it's so good. I like it. Heck yeah.
Yep.
That's cool. Well, what'd you guys bring?
65 F100.
Nice. Tell me about it. I'll tell you, is there a story behind it? Or
It is. So bought it from a gentleman up in Illinois. It was his brother's that restored it, and his brother passed away.
Okay.
He had it, and then decided he wasn't driving it enough and probably appreciating it. Found him on Facebook and bought the truck, and sight unseen, like we saw it, but just good guy, bought it, had it shipped here to Texas, and we love it. So,
there you go.
Great truck.
It's all about the stories sometimes, along with the trucks, but then it is just owning and building one.
Yep.
And I love the stories the best sometimes. You
We
know?
still stay in touch with him. I texted
It's
him.
like you saved it, you know?
Yeah. I'm going to send him a bunch of pictures from here. We still talk and stay in touch, so kind of become, even though I never met him, just kind of stay
That's
friends.
cool.
Yep.
Well, hey, I'm going to do podcasts. That'd be a great podcast story. So do you want to head over to the tent when I'm back there? If you happen to swing by and see me, let me know. I'm going to do a podcast with you, okay?
Okay.
I'm just going to get you in on the Texoma podcast.
Okay, cool.
Thank you. Oh snap, look at that steering. Holy cow. Hey, this I think is his son's truck. Wow. Lucky kid, I hope he earned every weld and every every banged up finger, blood, sweat, and tears this truck. I'm sure he is. He's a good kid. I think they'll be at the Grand Nats here in a few weeks. So, take two or three up there, 2 or 3 here. Take somewhere down here is Texas Farm Truck Racing, Texas. He's the guy that built my truck, and that was his shop truck. Actually, there he is right there. What is up, 400 guys? I've got a guy that runs another show. I love how the shows come together and promote each other and stuff. And this guy has a show out in the West, California. And I just need you guys to meet this guy who's running. He also has a club there. So for those guys out in West Coast or that want to go to a big show out West, a growing show, meet, who am I talking to, brother?
Brandon Hamner.
Hey, how's it going, guys? We're here at the Texoma checking stuff out here taking a look to see how they got the trucks going out here, trying to bring stuff like this back out to the West Coast in Anaheim, California for the Western Nationals. So just look up the F100 Western Nationals. Love to have anybody out there from Midwest, Texas, anywhere around to come out and take a look at our show and give it a shot. Thanks.
Yeah, there you go. Sounds good. He did a great job. Heck yeah, man. It's like you know how to do this. It's like you've been doing this a while or something. How long has the show been going?
This year is the 40th annual show. Started out a long time ago in Lake Havasu. It's been in Lake Havasu. It's been in, I think it's been in Vegas and a couple of other places back in the early days.
It's a club, right?
It's a club event show dedicated to the F100 by an F100 club. So, and the club's name is Pickups Limited.
Okay, cool. Well, now I mean, basically if you're from West Coast, it's easy to go there. If you're from anywhere from the West, but like what would be great for somebody coming from far away? I mean, California,
some of the
I guess,
best things, if you wanted to take a trip and make it like a week-long event, we are probably a 15-minute drive from Disneyland, Knott's Berry Farm. Probably a 30 to 45-minute drive up into Hollywood. You can go check out all the stuff up in Hollywood and Universal Studios and all those places.
And then everyone's there. Sounds like this, man. What's up, man?
Yeah.
What's going on? Not really. I've been in California. That's not really true.
Well, we aren't that far from the beach, so you will go down the street and hear that.
Heck yeah, man. Let's do it. Let's go hang 10, man. No. Hey, man. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Go check them out. How can they reach you? Socials?
On social media, you can reach me, Brandon Hamner. And you can also look up the group F100 Western Nationals on the Facebook groups, and we have a page dedicated to that for information and checking it out.
As always, you're welcome to post in the group.
And you are always welcome to join and post within the group and check things out and invite as many people in there and get things going around.
If you guys have a hard time finding for some reason, check out Ford 400 World. I'll be sure to post it as well.
Yeah.
And it's a private group, so you definitely got to be in on it, but we'll definitely promote it and promote the show, man. Thank you so much.
All right. Thanks a lot, Craig.
All right. See ya.
All right. See you later. Thanks, man.
Nothing crazy. You guys got to come out and actually see the show, but I do want to show you guys some cool places, some cool companies, and there's this one right here, which is, so I'm told, is the Coyote swap capital of the, company that makes them, right? Or that swaps them out?
We try to do more than anyone else in the world, I think.
That's cool. And who are we talking to right now?
I'm Gumby.
You're Gumby?
What?
And you're with? All right.
Texas Speed Lab Performance.
And this
Look at
is
that.
your company?
It's my company.
Okay.
I'm the owner.
How'd you get it started?
One truck at a time. I did my own Gen 1 Lightning.
Yeah.
Did a twin turbo Coyote in it and held the world record for the fastest Coyote powered truck for 8.5 years.
How many horsepower torque?
1,600 horsepower, 1,400 foot-pounds torque.
Wow.
Stock Crown Vic front to this day, stock non-adjustable 07 Crown Vic with leaf springs and drag radials and 519 139 in the 8th and coasted to 854.
So if you're wanting to, if someone watching this wants something built or wants to ask you questions or anything like that, how can they reach you?
I'm all over social media.
Okay.
You can call me.
There you go.
Phone number?
There you go. Hey guys, give them a call if you're looking for swaps, and what else do you do?
Well, just Coyote swaps. Okay. But you don't have to bring your truck to me to call and ask questions.
Okay.
I have no problems. If you're in the middle of a build and you don't know what to do about this, call me.
Are you on Facebook, Instagram?
I am.
All right, how
Facebook,
can they reach you there?
Texas Speed Lab Performance.
There you go. I think it's Texas Speed Lab. That's one word, basically. Yep. Performance. Okay.
Right.
Cool. And I think the picture right now is a little red truck in it, I think, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And on
that's Instagram.
Instagram is Texas_Lab_
There you go.
Between each word.
There you go. Alrighty, guys, go check them out. Check out Texas Speed Lab Performance. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
Thanks, man.
See ya.
See ya.
Hey, enjoy that food. It looks delicious.
Thank you. Very good.
This right here is his truck. Yeah, you want to start? Alright, guys, he's going to start it. Where's a good place to stand?
Let it idle down, and it gets into ghost cam.
Woo! Yeah. That's awesome, man. Thank you.
No problem.
Give me a quick example of what you guys do.
So electric power steering.
Ah, yeah. Nice. Now it says high boy. Is there any does it have to be some tall truck or can it be a lower truck?
Nope. We've got them for anything from 67 to 79.
Nice.
As long as it's a four-wheel drive. We've got two-wheel drive kits coming soon, but we've
That's
got
cool.
the four-wheel
All
drive
right.
stuff available now.
And they can find you. Here's their number. Very cool. Cool. All right. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, take care.
Hey guys, if you guys need West Coast mirrors of any kind, or of this kind anyway, here's your man right here. He makes these, he does LED lights, headlights, he makes all the pieces and everything that goes along with it, or he sources them. Check out these nuts, the classic Ford trucks. You guys can find them on Facebook.